Expand Machinery has assembled the most productive machine tool line in America, specializing in multi-axis, multi-spindle, Swiss-type screw machines. And we are partnered with Mitsubishi Electric Automation to offer a wide variety of robotic loading and unloading. When it comes to our bar material loading and unloading, our long relationship with Edge Technology gives us the advantage. Our impressive line of Swiss-style lathes offer machines with and without guide bushings. They range from 20mm to 52mm bar capacity. These machines come with various tool configurations, allowing turning, drilling, boring, with live axial and radial tooling, coupled with a sub-spindle that also has turning, boring, drilling, and live tool capabilities, make it the ultimate in one-and-done machining. We have machines with 12 driven tools in a B-axis with a sub-spindle that also has live tooling. All machines can be equipped with a mistbuster, high-pressure 1000 psi coolant, and fire trace fire suppression for running unattended. Along with the Swiss-type machines, we offer 1 and 2 turret lathes with a true sub-spindle. Our turret machines have 16 live or driven tools per turret and are mounted on a massive base, perfect for taking heavy cuts and holding tight tolerances. Expand Machinery has assembled the best team in the business, starting with our talented production team to our parts and service team. We are always there for you when you need it most. Our customers speak for us.